Dear professional students, let's look at performance measurements and evaluation. What is performance measurement and evaluation? Performance measurement is the ongoing regular collection of information for monitoring how a program, policy, or strategy is doing. That is a performance measurement. You try to look for information on how certain things you put in place are actually faring or performing. And it's a systematic way of mapping the evidence of the progress you are making towards your expected results. That is a performance measurement. And when we are talking of evaluation, evaluation is a specific, in-depth way to gather and analyze information and draw conclusions about the performance of a policy, program, or strategy. Evaluation will also be focused on the project level or at the project level rather. That is what we mean by performance evaluation and measurement. Measurement is just to get the regular is the regular collection of information for monitoring how a program is doing.